Hello guys, today we'll see Google online quiz with automatic certificate generation. In 2008 Google was launched the Google form where we can arrange any survey or we can collect some information from the user. In 2018 Google modified this Google form and extend to the Google quiz where we can arrange any online quiz where we can take some answer from the user. In 2020, Google added the one suite to this Google quiz, that is the online certificate generation. Today we'll see that first we have to sign to our Gmail account. Then in new tab we'll open Google form. When we search for the Google form, the first tab is arrived, that is Google form, the free online survey for personal use. Open this. Then in that it provides the four facilities, that is Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slide and Google Form. Go to the Google Form. When we open this Google Form, the template of that Google Form, it will open. It show the recent forms that I have already designed and the start a new form. Click on this start a new form. When we click on the start a new form, it will open a new blank form for the designing of the Google Form. This is the basic Google form, but now we have to design the Google quiz. That's why in setting I have to select the quizzes, and in quizzes I have to make that a quiz. Then in general, if we have to collect the email addresses from the user, I have to click it, and to provide the limit to one response I have to select it. Now I will change the title form, that is I am giving the title to my form, that is personal information. I can add any information to this form. I have added, that is a demo prepared by Professor H.D. Padia. We have already checked the email addresses. Now I will add the next question, that is name of participant. The name of participant, it must be the short answer, that's why I will select the option short answer. I will copy this question for the second. In second, suppose I have to take the name of institute. Again it must be the short answer question. Again I will copy. Now third is for the mobile number. I will make it mobile number. The mobile number must be only the numeric. That's why when I type the MO, directly due to the machine learning, Google changed it the string into the number. Now it will accept only the mobile number, that is the any numeric number. I will copy again this question. Now I have to add my first question, and that is the multiple choice. That's why I have selected multiple choice. Now in Word file I have already the two multiple choice question for the e-commerce subject. I will just copy this question and paste here, that is EDI requires. Then one by one I will copy all the options and paste into my Google form. The first, second, I copy and paste into Google form. Same repeat for the third, and for the last, for fourth option. Now to the Google form we have to assign the right answer. That's why at the bottom there is a one option answer key. I will open that and I will click to the right answer, and I will assign the marks to this question. I have added the 10 marks. Then done. If I have to add the second question, I will copy the first and repeat the same procedure as the first. Add the second question, first option, second option, third option, and the fourth option. Now in previous the right answer was A, but now in second the right answer is D. That's why I have to click on the D, and then I can assign the different marks to that. In that I have assigned the same 10 marks to that. Now in that I have added the 2 questions for the 20 marks and some fields for the personal information. If I have to make the sections, 2 different sections for the personal information and for the quiz, then I can make the section. Now I will preview where I have prepared the personal information, email address, the name of participant, we ask for the name of institute, mobile number, then first question for the 10 marks and second question for the 10 marks. From that button I can submit my Google form, my response. Now it is the design of the Google form, that is a Google quiz. If suppose I am giving the email addresses because it is mandatory, the padia@gmail.com, I am giving my name Sagar Padia, the name of institute SHGMC, my mobile number 9860401212. I have selected the first option. Suppose I have selected the second option and I have submitted as a user. Then after submission it will show the score. Now in that we have got the 20 out of 20. Both answers are right. If it is a right answer, it show in a green. If it is a wrong answer, it show in a red, and it also display the right answer. Now if we have to provide the certificate to this particular user, particular participant, then for that we have to design the slide. In Google, again we will type the Google slide. It show the free online presentation for personal use. In that I have to select the slide, go to the Google slide. Same as a Google form, it open one page for the slide that has the recent presentation and start a new presentation with a blank format. Select this blank format. This is a platform for the designing of Google certificate, or we call the Google slide. Initially we have to assign the name to this certificate. I have assigned the demo certificate. It provides the lots of basic themes. These are all the themes. I can select any one. I select the last. Now just like the notepad or any image editor, it shows all the tools for the text, to add the table, to add the image. Now I have to prepare the certificate. That's why first I will write down. I have already written in my Word file. That's why I copy this detail of my college and paste here. Then I will arrange this detail at the upper side of the certificate. I can add the logo also. Now certificate of participant, some spellings are wrong here. Now I have to add some information. In my Word file I have already typed some information for the certificate. I copy this information. Now in this information, some text are constant and some text must be variable according to the user information. We read this, that is, this is certified that full name. The full name must be according to the user. Of other identifiers, it show the college name. Has participated in national level online quiz of. It is a name of this competition, e-commerce and securities, conducted by Department of Information Technology, SHGMC Shegao on. In this double curly I have mentioned date and passed the exam score with score percent. Where the full name, other identifiers, date, percent and at last certificate ID are variables. It collects all this information from the user, filled into the Google form and then prepare a certificate and directly mail to the provided mail ID. Now if we are to link this Google form with the Google certificate, in setting I have to add the add-on. In Google Suite Marketplace, I have to type Certify EM. That is the application that generates the automatic certificate. I have already installed, that's why this puzzle like logo is available in my Google form. I have to select this add-on and Certify EM. Enable Certify EM in this quiz. Get started. It opens one control panel for the certificate. First option is it takes some time. First option is status. Turn on this certificate. Second is for the certificate records. Third is for the passing. On which passing we have to provide certificate to the participant. As per the criteria, we can select the passing criteria from 20 to 100%. Let's we have selected 50%. Then some templates are given, but we have already designed certificate in Google Slide. That's why I have to select the last option, list other template. Set up your own certificate. There is an option select a new file. Click this. It shows to browse from the Google Slide. In Google Slide we have designed the lots of certificates, but recently we have designed the certificate with name demo certificate. I have to select this demo certificate that's we have designed and save these changes. Now this certificate is linked with this Google form. If any user is filling this form, then this information will submit it into the Google form and it will provide to the Google Slide. Now this is option where we can provide the name of sender, the subject to email. We can provide the certificate as an image or PDF, and at last there is a share via. If we select the email, then it has a limit of 100 only, but if we have to provide the more than 100, then we have to select the Google Drive. It is a certificate record. The first is timestamp, email, full name, other identifiers, that is institute name, other identifiers 2, the total score, percentage score, pass, yes or no, and certificate ID. Now from that we can preview some template of the certificate. These are the certificate templates, or there is an option the email me sample. When we click on this email me sample, then it prepare one sample certificate and email to our mail ID. A sample certificate has been emailed to you. We'll check in our mail ID. The first is your sample certificate. We can click it and we'll open this certificate. This is our certificate. It will collect all the name of the participant, college name, date and the percentage as per our form and certificate ID, and then prepare the certificate and directly mail to the participant.